Welcome to Mobile Kahuna, the most powerful name in mobile marketing. And in this training, we're going to be teaching you how to create a contact campaign. Now, when you first got your mobile marketing number, you were asked whether you wanted that number to be a contact campaign number or a keyword campaign number. So if you chose contact campaign, we're going to easily show you in this training how to set it all up. But first, let's go over what a contact campaign is and what it isn't. First of all, a contact campaign is when someone will opt into your campaign by giving you their contact information, and that's where we get the name contact campaign. They will send their name and email to you, and our system will automatically grab their first name or first word and put it in the first name field, the second word they send and put it in the last name field, and the email with the @ symbol in the email field. So your advertising would simply be something like text your name and email to 212-555-1212 and get your free report, or get your coupon, or get your discount, or to see this video. Now, there are no keywords that we use because people are sending their contact information, and so it does capture the name, email, and phone number, which is a tremendous amount of information, and then you only get one campaign at a time. So let's jump in right now and show you exactly how that works. So I've opened up my account in Mobile Kahuna, and you can see here I've clicked on campaigns. And under campaigns, you'll see that there's only one campaign, which we're going to consider a default campaign. Now, we're adding an inactive campaign so that you can create multiple default campaigns, but only one can be active at a time. And each campaign is a follow-up campaign that you have. It's not a launch campaign like a keyword, or it's not an offer, it's a follow-up. And a follow-up campaign sends an immediate response when they opt in, and then we'll follow up with your subscriber X amount of days after they subscribed. So for instance, their first opt-in or their first welcome message would be, thanks for joining our VIP list. Your free pizza code for today is 43PizzaMe. Then if you'd like to set up for 2 days later, or 5 days later, 10 days later, even 30 days later, it will automatically send them in a follow-up campaign another message. And that might be, how is your free pizza we gave you 2 days ago? Let us know. So it's a fantastic way to engage in your marketplace, all on autopilot. So the way that would look is if someone subscribed to your follow-up campaign, on day 1 they would get the first message, and then day 2, day 3, and day 4 they would get the rest of the messages. Now in a follow-up campaign, you do not have to send follow-up messages, but it is an option that you can do in order to follow up with your subscribers, all on autopilot. So let's jump back in and show you exactly how that works. So you can see I've got my default campaign, and all I have to do is click on edit. And when I click edit, you can see the description is a live event. So if I want to actually put a description of what this really is to remind myself what type of campaign I'm actually running, and you can see here that the keyword, there is no keyword at all. And then the tag is something you'll be able to create. So in the tag, you can say, for this event, this might be my public speaking event. And then the description would be, let's say you did on August 10th, 2012, speaking to Chamber of Commerce. So you create that tag, and what tags do is when someone opts in, it will tag that subscriber with whatever tag you're putting in. So if you change campaigns or are doing different types of campaigns, you'll know whether that subscriber subscribed to 1, 2, or none of your campaigns, or if you import them, you can tag them as well. So tagging a subscriber is simply one way of being able to sift and sort through all the different subscribers you have. So for instance, if you're doing another engagement, another event, maybe 6 months from now, you can send a new message to only those that have this tag on it. So here you go. You've got your welcome message, which, thanks for requesting our training notes. We'll be emailing you shortly. Call us if you have any questions. So all you do is click save, and you've saved that message. Now if you want to add a follow-up campaign, all you have to do is click add follow-up message. The description might be 2 days later message, and you put 2 in here, and it will follow up with them 2 days later, and it follows up based on your time zone between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. So they'll always get a message between business working hours. And if you can put this as the second message, And then if you want to add an opt-out message, it's optional here. Your first message will always be sent with an opt-out message. So you can click add follow-up, and it instantly adds that follow-up message down right below inside your campaign. So that's it. If you want to send another message a couple days later, just add another follow-up campaign and it will add it down here. And if you want to edit that in the future, you can also edit and delete those campaigns as well. So that's how easy it is to set up a contact campaign. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next training.